These document settings in Noteful control how your Noteful is set up and how you want to use your documents inside of the app. So let's go through them and show you what settings you should have on and what you should have off. So let's talk about everything that is nestled under these three dots right here. Now, a lot of these things we've already talked about, like changing your paper, how to export and share, searching. These are just other places that you can find them. We've also already talked about how to pin a page. Expand and resize, that will just mess your planner up. So don't ever mess with that. Here you can copy a page link, the hyperlink if you want. Probably not something you're ever going to use. Now this clear page, if you had a bunch of stuff written here and you just wanted to delete it all at one time, not having to erase everything, you could go here and hit clear page and it's going to delete everything that you have on your page. That includes text, images, everything. So everything that you have on your page that you've added in, it's going to delete it all. You can also delete a page right here if you want to. Instead of going to your thumbnails, you can just delete right here. Now these settings are things that we haven't completely went through. So this draw with touch, what that means is if you weren't drawing with an Apple Pencil, you could turn this on and you could draw a circle and you could do it with your finger. Now this goes off every single time you release. So if you click back over here, see it's turned back off. So if you wanted to do it again, you'd have to turn it back on and you can, turn it back on and you can, gotta be on the right tool. So you can hold and it will snap to a shape. So you can do that if you're wanting to draw with hold. And then we can just go back to clear page to get rid of all that. Now you have your gesture settings. These are settings we've already went through with whether you want to undo with tapping or swiping. We've already talked about that. As far as the document editing, we've also talked about how to do this as well. But one thing we haven't talked about is this customized toolbar. So if you're wanting to customize your toolbar and you're wanting only certain tools to show up here, this is where you're going to turn the tools off and on. So this is how you turn them off. If you turn them off, they will disappear from your toolbar up here. You can also change the order. So let's say I wanted the tape tool to be after the stickers. You could do that, just drag it down and you can see that now the tape is over here instead of it being over here. So that's how you can move them back and forth or move them kind of around. Now you can also move these around down here. So let's say that you wanted undo and redo at the very beginning. You could do that. All you'd have to do is kind of long press on them and then you can drag up and move them around. So if I wanted these up here, I'm just going to drag it up and move it to exactly where I want it. And there we go. Now we have undo, redo, and insert at the very beginning. Move our pen tool back over here, and it's going to be right after thumbnails. So if you're used to them kind of being over in this corner, you can do that as well. And that's how you move things around. So that's how you customize your toolbar and everything that's nestled under these options right here.